Hey guys, let's start hacking these picoCTF challenges. Our sec challenge is pwcrack1. So, can you crack the password to get the flag? Download the password checker here and you'll need the encrypted flag in the same directory too. So, let's download these files. So, wget and wget. Okay, so let's see what we have inside of the level 1 flag txt file. So get level 1 flag. Okay, so we don't have much. This isn't our flag. So let's see what we have inside of the level.py. So get level1.py, like so. Okay, so if you see here below, we have here this user pw equals to input. Please enter correct password for flag. And it seems that if the user input, so the user pw input is equals to 691D, then I think that our flag will be printed. So let's test this theory. So let's run the level1.py file. So python 3 level1.py. Now let's copy these and see if we can print our flag. This will be our password, like so. And here we have it, guys, our flag. And another challenge solved. Okay guys, let's solve this now. This is the pwcrack2. I think is like a second version of pwcrack1, the one that we just solved, the previous one. So the description says, can you crack the password to get the flag? Download the password checker here and you will need the encrypted flag in the same directory too. So this is the same as we saw in the previous exercise. So let's see the contents of these files here. So wget, okay, let's see the contents of the level 2 flag file. Okay, so it's basically like the previous one. It's gibberish. So let's see the contents of the other file, level2.py file. Okay, so as you can see, the code is a little bit similar, but this time instead of a password we have this here. So let's see what this is. So I will copy this. I'll go to Firefox, paste it here, and okay, so it seems that is ASCII. So let's click here. So let me just maximize this so we can divide the screen like so. So we have 0x64. So we have 0x64. So in this table, let's control find this 0x64. Here it is. So it can be a D. Let's put it here on our terminal. Then we have 65. So E. Okay. Then we have 37. Like so. So a 7. And we have a 36. So a 6. So let's try this as our password. So I will copy this, clean, and run the Python file. Okay guys, so Python 3, so like so. Let's paste our password and here we have it, guys. So we have here our flag. Let's copy the flag and verify if it's the correct one. So paste here, and here we have it, guys. We solved another challenge. Let's solve this one now. Runme.py. So run the runme.py script to get the flag. Download the script with your browser or with wget in the web shell. So let's copy the link. We already know how to do this, so let's do it. Now let me see the contents of this file first. And here we have it, guys. We have our flag here. So let's copy the flag and paste it here. And another one solved. Okay, next challenge is includes, and the description says, can you get the flag? Go to this website and see what you can discover. So let's copy the link. Let's go to the website and let's see. Okay, we don't have our flag here. Say hello. This code is in a separate file, so okay. Let's see the source page. We can do this. Okay. Okay, so this seems like part of our flag, so just to be safe, I will copy this and paste it here. So it seems like the end of our file of our flag. So let's see if we can find more. And here we have another part of our flag. Let's see if this is the full flag by copy this part and append it to the part that we already have. So like so. Let's see. Let's copy this and let's see. And here we have it, guys. Another challenge solved. Our next challenge is fixme.py. So fix the syntax error in this Python script to print the flag. So let's download the script, copy, wget. Okay, so as you probably already know this, if you run a Python script that has syntax errors, then you will see those errors printed on your terminal. So let's run this Python script to see what errors do we have, okay? So python 3 fixme1.py. So as you can see, we have here on line 20 unexpected ident, okay? So let's open this file and correct this. I will use gedit. Feel free to use another text editor. You can use Nano if you want. As you saw, we have an error here in this line, and the error is unexpected ident. So what we have to do is to delete this unexpected ident, save the changes, and see if when we run the file we can retrieve our flag. Sorry, python fixme1.py, and here we have our flag, guys. So let's copy the flag and insert it here. And another challenge solved. Okay, guys, our next challenge will be Codebook. Let's see. Run the Python script code.py in the same directory as codebook.txt. So let's copy this and download it. The same for this. Now let's see the contents of the first file, codebook.txt. Okay, it seems that we have here our flag, but it's encrypted, so let's see what it is that our code.py file does, okay guys? But I will open it with gedit. Okay, so let's see. It seems that this first function decrypts our flag, and this second function opens this file, a file called codebook.txt, which we have it, which is the one that has this, as you can see. So let's run this file, this file code.py to see if we can retrieve our flag. So Python 3 code.py, and here we have it, guys. So our code opens this file, codebook.txt, decrypts the contents of this file and gives us our flag. So let's see if we have the correct flag, but I think that we have. And another exercise solved. So our next challenge will be first grep. Can you find the flag in file? This will be really tedious to look through manually. Something tells me there is a better way. So let's download the file. Let's see the contents of this file with the cat command. So as you can see, it would be difficult to find our flag here in this mess. Oh, okay, even though I just found it. But I will show you how to use grep, the command grep, to find, in this case, our flag. Cat file, and this will print the contents of our file, and then the command grep pico. And the command grep will basically search for this specific string. And I used pico because we already know that our flag has pico on it. So here we have it, guys. Let's copy this and paste it here. And another one solved. Next challenge, bases. So let's see. What does this string mean? I think it has something to do with bases. So let's copy this and run it on a hash identifier. Hash identifier. Let's see this first one. Okay, it seems base 64, so let's run it on a decoder. So I think that this is our flag. We just need to add pico, curly brackets, okay, sorry, CTF, of course. Then paste here, and another one solved. Next challenge, strings it. Can you find the flag in file without running it? So let's see. So let me just tell you that we have a command that we can use to extract text from our file without using, for instance, the cat command. That command is strings, basically the name of our challenge. So when you use the command strings with the name of our file, we are printing readable text, okay guys? So the strings command will extract readable text from the file. So let's search for that flag. Let's see. Okay, let's use the grep command. Let's see. So strings pipe grep, and we already know that our flag has pico on it. So let's see if we can find like this. And here we have it, guys. This is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!